All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Kind of been all over the place lately with the move and getting the garage set up, building some shelves and some cabinets and stuff like that. So I did have, over the last little bit, I've had parts showing up, and we're gonna name this, what the hell do we have in the box now? So stuff keeps showing up and the wife keeps wondering. Y'all know how that is. Anyways, you've all seen the S10 Blazer. You guys have all seen the 6-liter. If you haven't, go back to the videos. Tore down the 6-liter. When I bought it, I was told it was LQ4, but it had the Gen 4 rods and pistons, which would have been identical to the LQ9. And as we tore it apart, we realized that was not the case. So, as I mentioned in the video, I was going to get on Summit and see what I can find. So, that's what we got here. So we're going to do a little unboxing on this stuff. And I also have some other goodies. Any of you that follow me on Instagram, I posted a bunch of pictures last night of some other stuff that I have. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's BoostEnvy_900. Go check it out. I usually post a bunch of stuff there before I get the videos up, so kind of a little sneak peek for everyone. Anyways, we'll just crack into this stuff. So I did go with standard bore because I'm not planning on taking this to the machine shop, but as you can see, we did the flat top. It does have the valve relief, so it's, I believe it's -2 cc. Very nice pistons though, forged aluminum, really nice piece. No need in showing you all 8 of them, they're all identical. It did come with the standard I believe I opened one of these. Anyways, these are just the standard wrist pins. Summit does recommend, if you're going to go over 1,000 horsepower or up to 1,000 horsepower, to get the upgraded wrist pins. So I believe, just 1 second. I did get these guys. They are hardened steel. I haven't even opened them. I believe they're thicker wall. So we'll go ahead and open one here real quick and see what we got. Oh yeah, definitely. So these are tool steel. Let me pull another one of these back out, show you the difference here. So definitely thicker wall. That's a standard, and this is the 0.927 wall thickness. So like I said, there's your part number, the S719. They did recommend upgrading to these if we're gonna run over, I believe it said on the website over 1,000 horsepower. Sorry for continuing to repeat, but they did say the whole setup should be capable of 1,200 horsepower. So we'll shoot for it. Does come with brand new rings. We'll go ahead and obviously gap those for boost since we will be boosting this. And then the connecting rods. And these ones are the 6.098. And they are a forged H-beam. And once again, they do say Summit Racing Pro LS. They do come with the ARP 2000. So nice piece here. Obviously, everything is perfect for the setup. So that's going to be part of the bottom end build. Oh, oops, sorry about that, guys. Kicking the tripod here. Next, and those of you that watched the G35 build saw that I put the Snake Eater 1000s in it. I did order these guys at right around the same exact time. These are the LS3 style Snake Eater 1500s. So as you can see there, Snake Eater 1500 cc. Any of you that follow Sloppy Mechanics, Matt Happel, he swears by these. They do him a hell of a job. I know they do a lot of people a hell of a good job. So a lot of people talk bad about them just because they're a cheap injector, but we're gonna give them a shot. And also got on there, and since the S10 is gonna be running drive-by cable, got a new throttle body here. Wonderful Snake Eater Performance stickers. And then we just went with the 92mm Snake Eater Performance throttle body here. So this is a Gen 4 style, so it's got the 4-bolt instead of 3-bolt, which is perfect because I've got a Trailblazer SS intake manifold somewhere in this garage, which I think I'll be running for now. I have been thinking about jumping up to like a Holley high ram. I was kind of hoping that Texas Speed would release that new manifold. They did the LS3 one, but nothing for the Cathedral port. So kind of waiting to see, maybe they'll release one here soon for that. So also, let's see what else we got here. Brian Tooley Racing. So I used this almost the same exact one on the G35 build, except for it was a Gen 4. This one's a Gen 3. So all this is just all your gaskets. And you can order them with whatever head gasket you want. I went with the Brian Tooley LS9 multi-layer. They're identical to the GM Performance or Chevrolet Performance LS9 head gaskets. I believe compressed, they're like a 0.51 thickness, I believe. I might be wrong. And then other than that, it just comes with your front seal, rear seal. Comes with all the actual seals for the rear main and the front main. And then like a replacement dumbbell, pan gasket, a bunch of everything you need basically. And then on the LQ4, when I was tearing it down, I did notice the rear cover was mangled up pretty bad. I don't know what happened on that, so I did get a brand new one. These ones, this is a Chevy Performance. Already comes with the gaskets, the seals, and all the hardware. So these are fairly inexpensive. I believe it was like 60 bucks or something. So anyways, I believe for now that's about all we got. I do have, hopefully tomorrow, I've got a flex hone showing up. The walls on the piston walls there, the bore is pretty polished up. So see if we can get me in focus here instead of still looking at the table. Anyways, the piston walls were pretty polished up, so I got I believe it's a 4-inch 320 grit flex hone or dingleberry hone, whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to just run those through that, get the rods pulled out. I'm going to have the crank, I'm going to pull the crank just to check the main bearings, and then I'm going to, got somewhere here some of that plastic gauge to check the clearance on the rod bearings, see if I need to order some new ones or see if they're the right size. So I'll be doing that. Anyways, enough rambling on this one. I do have the Blazer kind of lifted up in the air here. See if we can get a shot of it there. Got her on those blocks that I made for the G. So I'm gonna start tearing the old engine out of there and start cleaning up that engine bay and get it ready to go. So things should start clicking here pretty quick. Meantime, I'm still working on cleaning out the garages, or cleaning up the garage, so the wife can actually park in here. Been mainly focusing on getting this side of the garage taken care of and not her side. So anyways, that's going to be about it for this video. So if you guys did enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe. Follow along with this journey, and like I said, check out my Instagram if you haven't, boostmv_900, and we'll see you guys in the next video.